This is all it takes for peppers to grow healthy and chemical-free. This simple homemade solution works great in the garden, especially for growing peppers. Regular use strengthens the plants and improves their resistance to changing weather conditions. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to a bowl. Baking soda has antifungal and disinfecting properties and helps improve soil quality. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. It creates a thin, protective layer on the leaves that makes it harder for insects to feed. Then add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, which helps the mixture stick better to the leaf surface. Mix everything thoroughly. Now fill a garden sprayer with a little over 1 gallon of water and add the prepared solution. Close the sprayer and shake well. Spray the pepper leaves, both the tops and undersides. It's best to do this in the morning or late afternoon to avoid leaf burn from the sun. This natural spray repels pests, slows the spread of powdery mildew, and protects against fungal infections. Use it once a week, and your peppers will grow stronger, fuller, and more resistant, without chemicals or unnecessary expense.